In this video, I'm going to show you how you can post on Instagram. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you want just to make your first post or you have never posted on Instagram, it's pretty simple. First, go open your Instagram account and then you should see a plus icon on the top left here. Tap on it and you'll be taken straight to your gallery to select a video clip or image that you wish to accompany your post. For my case, I'll wish to accompany an image, so I'll select the image and here it is. Then tap on next. Now from here, you can add, if you want to add any audio, you can choose any music to accompany it. And for my case, I just want to add text. So there are various ways to do that. Just tap here to add text. So if I tap here, now I can just add text like that if you wish the text to cover the image. However, if you don't want the text to cover the image, you want it to appear just below it, then go down here to text. So for my case, I don't want to add text on the image itself, but separate from the image. Now to add text, just go to text here. You can see text is here, and then write anything that you wish, and then finally tap on done. Proceed and tap on next, and this will begin processing your post. As you can see, mine has been pasted. However, you can see that text was added to the image. If you don't want to add the text on the image, you want it to be captioned, then for that I can start over, add the image, tap on next, and here, because I don't want to add anything on top of the image, I just tap on next, and this will take me to add caption option, where I can now add the caption to accompany the image before I finalize by tapping on OK here, and now finalize by tapping on share. So I've now published my post, and now my post is being published, and finally it is done. Here it is. As you can see, the image is here and the text is down below. If I tap on more, you can see the text that I accompanied my image. So that's how you can post on Instagram. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.